self love this, self love that. But do we actually know that self love is not just about absolutely loving yourself 24/7 and doing things for yourself and taking care of yourself? But self love is also when you forgive yourself for the mistakes that you made in the past that actually define who you are right now. Because I've seen so many people talk about self love, self care, and self God knows what else. There are so many different vast topics on this single topic alone. But honestly, I have noticed that when people make mistakes, they're just so hard on themselves, as if humans are not allowed to make mistakes, as if you have to be perfect every single time, in every single situation, in every single experience that you experience, which is, by the way, not true at all. So that's why I chose to record this topic, because I feel like I've spoken a lot about how to prioritize yourself, how to stop making people feel so important, basically stop people pleasing, blah blah. But I feel like I've not spoken enough about one of the most common things that I see and I have done myself. Every single person makes mistakes. Every single person is going through something that maybe you have no clue about. And honestly speaking, our mind is shaped that we need to be perfect, we cannot make mistakes. People have built this agenda around our mindsets that we cannot make mistakes and we need to nail every single thing, and that is just not true. Every single person is absolutely allowed to make mistakes, because how will you even grow or learn, or how will you become your dream self if you do not make the mistakes you're making today? For example, I never wanted to be the one who is begging somebody to be my friend or begging somebody to put efforts in the friendship. However, I did that in the past and now I have stopped. How did I stop? If I never did that in the past, I would never understand what I'm actually doing to myself and what I'm actually doing to the friendship itself, because friendship does not need begging. It's as simple as that. And if you need to beg somebody to be a good friend to you, sorry, that is just not how a friendship works, right? So if I never made those mistakes, if I never understood that, hey, what I'm doing is actually wrong, then how would I have ever reached at the stage I am right now, where I actually stop putting efforts when the person stops too? I don't beg them, I don't chase, I replace. Basically, without making mistakes, you will never get the experience and the mindset that you need, and you'll never feel lost, and you'll never feel like you're on the wrong path. And it is so important to feel all of these things, because how will you even realize that you're on the wrong path if you never make mistakes? How will you realize that you need to deroute and you need to redirect yourself into a better path? You need to become a better person. So, self forgiveness, by definition, is the act of acknowledging your mistakes, accepting them, and learning from them so that you never repeat them again, and moving on from them in a healthy way. Now, this is just the definition I created right in front of you guys. I have literally no research on this, so I don't know where this definition is available. Just consider it as Naisha's definition of self forgiveness. So, I feel like people need to really focus on forgiving themselves. And how will they do that? You need to identify what you did wrong. You need to realize that, okay, this is what I did, and I have to accept my mistake. So the first step is identifying your mistake, the second is accepting your mistake, and the third is recognizing and learning that humans can make mistakes. It's okay, you don't have to beat yourself up for it. You don't have to feel like, oh my god, I'm the worst person in this entire planet. Trust me, we all make mistakes, different kinds of mistakes. Everybody does different shit. It does not have to be the same shit, okay? And then you need to understand that this is what I did and it was wrong, and I never want to do it again, because that's not who I want to become. And all you have to do is find a solution how you can change or better that about yourself, and then you need to move on from it. You cannot keep on holding on to the same mistake your entire life and then expect that you will become your best or dream self, because that's not how you move forward. Accepting your mistakes is one of the biggest parts that you need to realize when you're on the path of becoming your dream self. Self forgiveness does not mean, oh my god, I could never do that. Why did I do that? Blah, blah, blah. That is not how you forgive yourself. That's not a healthy way, and that's not a good way to build a good relationship with yourself. Because, as always, I've always said this, and I'm always gonna keep saying this as long as I'm, you know, continuing the podcast. People are gonna come and go, and the strongest relationship that you'll ever have in this entire world and on this entire planet is always gonna be the one you have with yourself. Even if it's your best friend, it's your parent, it's your close friend, it's your inner circle, whatever it is, the foundation that you bring to your life and you build with yourself is the strongest foundation that you will ever build in your entire life. And trust me, it's exactly how you should do it. You should not keep on focusing on other people and the relationship you have with them if you're not focusing on the relationship you have with yourself. And self forgiveness is not beating yourself up for making a mistake, or beating yourself up for not being perfect, because trust me, nobody is perfect. You are perfect in your own way. Your mindset, the ability that you have, and the quality that you have is unique to you. Nobody has that, right? Your mindset is your mindset. Nobody's gonna steal your mindset. And people think differently. People have different perspectives on life, on situations, on other people. They view people differently, they view the world differently. And you view the world differently. So, self forgiveness is accepting the fact that you're human, you can be imperfect, because human life is not all about perfection. It's actually about living and not just focusing or chasing perfectionism, because that's not how you will actually enjoy your life. And honestly speaking, not beating yourself up for the mistakes that you made is such a proud feeling, because when I stopped focusing that, oh my god, how did I do that, and I started focusing on how can I stop doing that, that changed everything. Because if I kept on focusing on the same thing, that why did I do this, or I shouldn't have done that, I would have never changed. I would have never become the person I am right now with the mindset I have right now, right? So when I stopped focusing on the mistake and started focusing on the solution, everything changed. So, next time you make a mistake, remember everything I said in this episode. And honestly speaking, keep reminding yourself that recognizing the mistake, accepting it, learning how to change it, and then moving forward is the best thing you can do. Because, okay, what if you're holding on to the mistake for the mistake that you did maybe 15, 20 days back? If you're holding on to it for the next year ahead, are you gonna have the best year of your life? No. Are you gonna live your life properly? No. It's gonna hold you back and do nothing else. It's not gonna fix the situation. You cannot go back in time and do things in a different way, right? So that's exactly what I'm saying. If you can't change it, then stop focusing on it and start focusing on how to make it better. Because self forgiveness is so important when it comes to the journey of loving yourself, because you can't love yourself if you can't forgive yourself. If you love somebody, genuinely want them in your life forever, will you not forgive their little mistakes? Will you not care for them, and will you not hope the best for them, and will you not help them change the quality that made them like this, or will you not just help them improve themselves? You will, right? Because you love the person, you want them forever in your life. Why not do that yourself? You can do that yourself, right? You can love yourself, you can care for yourself, you can help yourself change and grow. Exactly my point. Sometimes we're so focused on loving somebody else, on making them feel special, appreciated, valued, we forget that we are human, we can make mistakes, and we can grow again. Nobody's gonna hold you back as much as you're holding yourself back. And I'm so glad that you clicked on this episode, because honestly speaking, we're all focused on the self love, self growth, self development, self success parts, that we forget that self forgiveness plays a huge role. So remember that holding on to the mistakes you made and forever just regretting them is not going to help anything. The only way that you can change anything is by changing your focus from the problem to the solution, and how you can move your best foot forward while not pushing yourself back, while not holding yourself guilty all the time, please remind yourself that you are going to learn only when you make mistakes, not when you're being perfect, not when you're being the best, smartest person in the room. Okay. And I just want to, quote a few quotes before I end this episode, because I feel like these quotes are really going to help you. The first one is, forgiving yourself is not forgetting what happened, but choosing to love yourself through it. And this quote, I am relating to it so much because sometimes the mistakes that we make us forget that we're still human and we can still love ourselves and grow through it, and we can learn from the experience that we got. We just keep beating ourselves up, we're so hard on ourselves, we keep on cursing ourselves like, oh my god, I shouldn't have done that, I shouldn't have. It's okay, because if you never did that, you would never learn the lesson that you learned from doing it. So, regret should not hold you back from changing into a better person after you made the mistake. So, love yourself through every mistake you make, because it's going to help you become your dream self one day. The next is, you are allowed to be a work in progress and a masterpiece at the same time. Now, this is another quote that I loved. I was just scrolling through Pinterest, I think, and I saw this quote and I was like, I need to tell this in my episode, because we forget again that we are still a work in progress. We are not at our destination. And honestly speaking, I personally would never be at a destination, particularly because I will never, limit myself to, okay, if I start loving myself, if I do this, if I get successful, then I'm gonna just stop my self growth journey. I am never going to stop. This is a forever thing for me, and it should be for you guys too. So stop focusing on the destination, stop focusing that you need to be perfect already, or you need to be 100% self confident already, because honestly, this is a forever journey, and you don't need to be so hard on yourself by limiting your love or conditioning your love. So please remind yourself that it's okay if you're not a masterpiece yet, because a work in progress is as beautiful as the destination, as the masterpiece. And the next is, self forgiveness is not a weakness, it is the symbol of strength and self respect. And I love this again, which is why I chose to include this in the episode, because self forgiveness, people often mistake it with a weakness. Like, oh, already? You're changing already? Are you not regretting anymore? Like, no, I am not. And why should I keep regretting for the same thing? Yeah, I was wrong. Yeah, I'm sorry about it. But if I keep feeling sorry about it, how am I ever going to change myself and improve myself? So, please don't let people teach you that self forgiveness is a weakness or it's a bad thing or you should keep regretting forever. Because, okay, you're regretting for the past, what, 2 years, 3 years? You don't want to live your life. You want to die like this? Do you want to live like this? Do you want to surround yourself with really amazing people and then keep on talking about the same mistake that you made 2 3 years back? No, right? Please don't let people teach you that it's a weakness, because honestly, the biggest and the strongest thing that you can do is forgive yourself. Loving yourself is the next thing. Forgiving yourself is the first. The fourth quote that I really resonated with is, you can't grow if you keep punishing yourself for what you did or who you were. And honestly, that is so true. That is literally what I've been talking about in this entire episode so far. That if you keep holding yourself back, if you keep feeling guilty all the time, you will never grow from it. You need to understand that the lesson is more important than the mistake you made, because the lesson is going to take you forward in life and in your journey of self love and self care and whatever. The mistake is not going to take you anywhere. It's going to take you to a downhill where you keep regretting, you keep mourning on the same mistake again and again, which is not going to take you anywhere. So please remember these quotes. And honestly, I think I can add one last one. Actually, not the last one. The next is, forgive yourself for not knowing what you didn't know before you learned it. Now, this basically means that if you're constantly thinking that, why did I not, stop myself before making this mistake, or why did this happen? Why did I do that? Just remind yourself that I did not know this. This was not how I was thinking before I made the mistake. Now I realized, now I know how I can improve it. So forgive yourself, forgive the past version of you who made the mistake, because that version of you did not know whether what you're doing is right or not. But after you did it and after you realize that it's wrong, you are never going to do it again. So please, honestly, be proud of that version of yours, because that's going to help you to be who you are, and to forgive yourself, and to understand that you're never going to make the mistake again. The next is, be as kind as you are to other people, to yourself as well. Because sometimes we forget, and I've mentioned this in the episode, that we keep forgiving people around us, people who we genuinely love, we care about, we appreciate, we want forever in our life. We keep forgiving them for their silly little mistakes. Why? Because we want them forever and we love them. Give that same kindness and that same love to yourself from now on. I don't want to see anybody beating themselves up for mistakes. Small mistakes are fine. They're human. Normal mistakes are fine. They're human. Obviously, if you go and, like murder somebody just because they bitched about you, that's a different thing. But I know you feel that rage sometimes. Like, how can she say that about me? Because I do too. But mistakes like accidentally sharing somebody's little secret to your best friend and then realizing, oh, I shouldn't have done that. No point of beating yourself up for it. Just don't do it next time. That's just a silly little example. Honestly speaking, please respect people's privacy. And the last quote before I end this episode is, you deserve the same compassion that you give to others. Related to the quote I said before, you are so lovable. You give out so much to the world. You deserve it within yourself as well. Not just other people, not just your family, not just your friends, not just your special people in your life. You're the most special person in your life. You will always be. You're always going to hold your hand till the last moment of your life. So please, as much as you give out, give it to yourself as well. And on that note, I would love to end this episode. And so many nice and informative episodes are coming soon. So stay tuned for that. I love you guys so much. If you sticked with me till this entire episode, then please make sure to check the links in the description for some important social links where you can follow and see the other parts of my life except the knowledge I keep on talking about here. And remember that you will never get the knowledge or the lesson that you got after making the mistake without actually making any mistakes. So be glad you made the mistakes, because they will actually shape your mindset in a much better way than just watching YouTube videos and being perfect, because perfect is boring. Okay? I love you guys so much. Take care of yourself and see you guys soon next time with another very nice episode. I hope you guys are liking the podcast so far. Take care. Bye.